Today, I'm going to show you how you can claim a 1-month Veo 3 Ultra account for free. So make sure you watch this video until the end and don't miss any step because you'll need a promo code to claim the Veo 3 Ultra account. And to get the promo code, the first thing you need to do is join our WhatsApp channel. The promo code will be provided there. So join the WhatsApp channel and then follow all the steps I show you in this video. Now, let's get started and see how you can claim your 1-month Veo 3 Ultra account for free.
Today, I will tell you how you can get a Google Veo 3 Ultra account with 45,000 credits for 30 days at a very low price. With this account, you will not face any issues like account bans or disabling. Your account will work smoothly without any problems. Make sure to watch the full video because I will explain how you can buy the promo code and how to claim it step by step. First of all, you will need to buy a promo code to get a Google Veo 3 Ultra account. As I showed you earlier, I claimed my account using a promo code. The promo codes you saw in my account will not work for you, so you will need to buy a new promo code for your own account.